Hi, so this is the Blackburn Outpost Front Rack. I had thought about getting a Surly one, but they're 140 quid. I did see some on eBay that was second hand for about 75. But then there's a weight issue. This one is aluminium and it's sort of obviously a lot lighter. So this is on my Surly dummy. I was looking around for ages to find one that would fit, because limited amount of lugs. This was a disc brake. Well, it's disc brake fork, but I'm running V brakes, which are really good. Anyway, digressing. I couldn't find any sort of really good tutorials for fitting, and this isn't going to be a deep dive into the fittings. It's just so that you can actually see what how I've done it, and just to give you a bit of a better idea of how to do it, because these instructions are poor, to say the least. These diagrams, they're all blurred and they're terrible, really. So anyway, they're worse than IKEA. So all I've done, let's go top to bottom here. So you've got these sort of pipes, which you can cut off to length. I've used the lugs that I had on the braze-ons on the top of the fork. According to the instructions, you can attach them to the V-brake posts. I didn't do that because I had the lugs available, so I just wanted to go for what was probably going to be better. These parts of this unscrew, and they've got a bevel on them, and the screws are beveled. They're also supplied with some larger ones that are beveled for obviously a different length that you might need. So this part that goes on attaches round, and it's like a U shape, and then the bar fits through that, which does give you quite a lot of adaptability for where you want to put the thing. On the instructions, it does suggest that you could possibly use something around the fork there. So anyway, so you could attach it around the fork and then attach that to that. So then coming down, you've got these adjustments, which I've used a braze-on. It's a lug on the bottom of the fork actually, but Blackburn say that you can also get an extended skewer. Doesn't look like you can use a standard one that's longer, maybe like a rear. It doesn't look like you can use that, but I might be wrong. And the other thing is presumably that's going to sit out. It's not going to be flush. So anyway, that's a brief showing of the Blackburn Outpost Front. Really quite pleased with it at the moment. Obviously I haven't checked it out, but yeah, it's very sturdy, nice and light, and I think it was 75 quid.